This short photo video describes the botanical features of Cornus mass. The bark of a mature specimen of Cornus mass is a broken number of thin plates revealing orange browns and pale reds underneath. This is a very early flowering shrub, delicate yellow flowering heads emerging from the lateral buds in February to March, and fertilized flowers then develop into glossy bright red drupes, not often in large numbers, so they're not always very conspicuous. The attractive foliage is arranged in opposite pairs on the twig, and the twig is typically light brown to green, relatively thin and flexible. The leaves vary from broad elliptic to broad ovate with an acuminate tip and with deep arcuate venation, which is quite an attractive feature of the leaf, both on its mid-green upper surface and its light pale grey-green undersurface. Cornus mass varies in form from a broad tree on a short trunk to a multi-stemmed shrub, typically reaching heights of about 6 metres and rather erratic lateral growths emerging from the crown. The winter buds typically pale grey, smooth, relatively thin, tapering to a blunt point. The laterals arranged in opposite pairs, the twig often blushing in crimson or maroon in the winter months over a pale green colour. And many of the lateral buds will, rather than being narrow tapered, be more spherical in shape, and these are essentially the flower buds waiting to emerge in early spring of the next year.